Hi guys, my name is George. I'm a customer success manager here at eBate, and in this video I'll be taking you through the five main headings on the home screen of the eBate system. So first of all, we have rebate management. This is the main part of the platform that you'll be using the most. This is basically the rebate repository where all of that rebate detail and agreement detail is stored. So we have our packages, which are essentially our suppliers or our customers. Then we have our agreements, which are the agreements that sit within our suppliers or customers. It might be agreements from different years or different terms. And then within each agreement, we have individual rebates, which basically lay out how the rebates are calculated and what sort of information is in those agreements. Next, we have the maintenance tab, which is essentially self-configuration that usually only one or two members of your organization will have access to. This allows them to configure different accounting periods, update company records, product records, or update workflows, add in different currencies, cross-references, etc. Next, we have the Finance tab, where any claims or payments can be processed and any accruals can be exported from the system. Next, we have our Reporting server, where basically we hover over Reporting and we click Reports. It will then take us to Amazon QuickSights, which is the reporting server that eBay uses, where you can export all of your outputs based on different reporting purposes. And finally, our final heading is collaboration, where the eBay users can configure exactly what documents and newsfeed items the portal users for your organization can view, as well as importing transactions and producing trade agreements for your portal users to view and accept. So that's the five main headings on the eBay system.